Welcome back, car lovers. If you own a car and feel like it's still missing, that must have upgrade and gadgets. Well, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into 12 must-have gadgets and accessories for your car, from smart upgrades to practical add-ons that will completely transform your car's look, comfort, and functionality. So make sure you stick till the end, because some of these gadgets are absolute game changers, and you don't want to miss them. And just like always, all product links are in the description below. Let's get started! Tired of guessing if your tires are low? Meet your new best friend on the road. With a backlit LCD and a lighted nozzle, checking your pressure at night is a breeze. Switch between 4 different units instantly for quick, pinpoint accuracy every single time. From your daily driver to your mountain bike or even a heavy-duty truck, it handles it all. Plus, it saves battery with a 30-second auto shutoff. Simple, smart, and essential. Drive safe and extend your tire life. Grab yours today. Most car cup holders are way too small, but this gadget changes everything. This is the Tyre cup holder expander. The base is fully adjustable, so it locks into almost any car. Plus, it's got a built-in rubber coaster to keep everything rattle-free. The best part? It comes with a side storage slot that holds 99% of phones or your sunglasses and wallet, keeping your center console clutter-free. It fits everything from 16 to 4-6-ounce bottles easily. If you're tired of your drinks rolling around, you need this. Link is in the description. A world of crazy drivers, you need an eyewitness you can trust. This 4K dual dashcam captures everything in crystal clear detail, both in front of and behind your vehicle. With night vision and a wide-angle lens, you won't miss a single license plate. It even has a G sensor to lock footage automatically if it detects an accident. It's the best insurance policy you'll ever buy. Don't drive without one. If you use a laptop for long hours, this stand can completely change your comfort level. It raises your screen to eye level, improving your posture and reducing neck strain. The build is sturdy yet lightweight, and it folds easily, perfect for work from home or travel. Plus, it improves airflow under your laptop, keeping it cool during heavy use. Simple, affordable, and super effective, this is one upgrade your workspace definitely needs. If you are liking these upgrades, then don't forget every item we mentioned in this video is linked in the description below. Go check it out. Now let's talk about some comfort upgrades for your car. Do you finish your commute feeling like you're 100 years old? Stop settling for back pain. This isn't just a pillow. It's a multi-point lumbar support system designed to hug your spine and pelvic area. It features high-density memory foam that bounces back instantly, giving you that perfect cloud-like support. Plus, the cover is machine washable with a hidden zipper. Freshness and comfort in one package. Upgrade your seat and save your back. Check the link in the description to get yours. Your center console looking a bit worn out or just uncomfortable? This universal armrest cover is a game changer for long drives. It's made of thick memory foam that saves your elbow from that hard plastic surface. Plus, it protects your interior from scratches, dirt, and pet paws. It's waterproof, easy to clean, and installs in seconds with simple elastic straps. Comfort and protection all in one. Definitely a road trip essential. Want to keep the kids entertained without the "are we there yet" questions? This tablet holder transforms your back seat into a movie theater. It's super sturdy, doesn't shake while driving, and fits almost any tablet or phone. The 360-degree rotation means you can switch from portrait to landscape easily. It's the ultimate sanity saver for parents on long journeys. Keep the back seat quiet and the passengers happy. Now, let's move on. Some car cleaning must-have accessories that every car owner definitely have. Stop scratching your paint at the local car wash and get that professional detail look at home. This foam dispenser attaches to your pressure washer to blanket your car in thick, lubricating suds. This snow foam lifts dirt and grime away from the surface before you even touch it, preventing swirl marks and scratches. It's adjustable, easy to use, and honestly, just really satisfying to watch. The secret to a showroom shine starts with the foam. Spilled coffee? Muddy footprints? Don't panic. This portable car spot cleaner is built to tackle the toughest stains on your seats and carpets. It combines powerful suction with a specialized scrubbing brush to lift deep down dirt. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and leaves your interior smelling fresh and looking brand new. Keep your car's interior spotless, no matter what life throws at it. If you want your car to look truly clean, don't ignore the wheels. This wheel cleaning brush is designed to remove stubborn dirt and brake dust from rims and tires. The soft but durable bristles easily reach between spokes and tight corners without scratching the alloy wheels. Unlike regular cloth cleaning, a wheel brush allows deep cleaning of tire grooves and rim edges, where most dirt builds up. Just apply wheel cleaner or shampoo, scrub with the brush, rinse with water, and your wheels will look almost brand new. It's a small tool, but it makes a huge difference in your car's overall appearance. Stop pouring and start pumping. If you're still wrestling with heavy gas cans or messy siphons, you're doing it wrong. This is the best cozy liquid transfer pump. It's battery-operated and works with both D-cell and AA batteries, giving you power whenever you need it. It moves up to 2.4 gallons per minute. That's fast enough to empty a tank in seconds without spilling a single drop on your car or yourself. Whether it's fueling the lawnmower, cleaning the fish tank, or an emergency car refill, this thing is a lifesaver. But the best part? The auto stop sensor means zero overflows. Check the link in the description. Working on your car in low light? This repair light is a game changer. It's bright, portable, and designed to illuminate even the darkest corners of your engine. With multiple lighting modes and a strong magnetic base, you can attach it anywhere and work hands-free. It's rechargeable, durable, and perfect for emergencies, repairs, or even outdoor use. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want to stay prepared, this tool is a must-have in your car kit. That's the list. Every single one of these is linked in the description below. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech and car finds. Safe driving!